How's the chili, Fayetteville? Chili's good? Again, thank you for coming out to the chili cook-off for the Shriners here in Fayetteville, Georgia. We're so happy to be here. Any Charlie Daniels fans out there tonight? Nobody likes Charlie Daniels? Okay, there's one. I see you. All right.
My husband and I make chili that just tastes like chili. We don't make it too hot, but we've got a little bit of spice in it, and it's good chili. We've competed since '94 in different cook-offs around Florida and Georgia. We use beef. I use bell peppers, red, yellow, and green, onion, a couple of entire things of garlic, not just a little clove, the whole thing. Garlic is so good. And then secret spices.
Yeah, we were sipping on Southern Sea.
We always believe in, savoriness, texture, that crunch. Then you have that savoriness of the meat and all the veggies combined and being reduced down. But it's all about that crunch, that finishing touch, and that spice at the end.
Roll my windows down and cruise, and down the back road, blowing stop signs through the middle of every little farm town with you in that brand new.
So I've got steak in there and ground beef. I've got chili peppers, bell peppers. People have different tastes. Some people like it real hot. Some people don't. Like it a little bit milder and all. So what I try to do is hit something in between. And then what mine is, I call it an Irish chili because I put a bottle of Guinness beer in it, which actually adds a very nice flavor to it.
No way you stay the same when I got you. It's like all that, I hate to tell you all that. Tell a boy he can call back, send a text, say fall back, cause you can't get away from me when you walk around the side.
Asked to participate in the chili contest. Joni, who's from New Orleans, we put our heads together, said, one, we want to support the community and the Shriners, but we said, hey, let's make an Italian Cajun chili.
We have some andouille sausage in there, we have some ground beef, we have sweet Italian sausage, we have pepperoni, so it's like Italy meets New Orleans.
And then we went to a local farm, we got farm fresh picked tomatoes, and we hand cut those and mushed those ourselves and stewed them and sauteed them.
You have the New Orleans Trinity in there. You got your onions, your bell pepper, your garlic, so...
Well, black beans.
Yep, got black beans.
And then we put in Italian seasonings and Cajun seasonings, and we let the meats work together. Again, ground beef, sweet Italian sausage, andouille,
and pepperoni.
And we only had 2.5 hours to put those flavors together. We still got about 4 gallons left. We'll be eating it all weekend. We serve Cab today, Cabernet Sauvignon, but red wine goes with anything. So in New Orleans, what do you drink with your chilies?
We have beer.
Beer.
We have beer with everything. It's more like our water. So, hey.